Alright guys, what's up? We're here again with the S2000 vlogs, and today we got a little surprise. So as you guys saw in the last video, we put the front splitter on by APR, and we already have the hardtop. I'll just show you guys. So there's the front splitter, and also has the chassis mount. If you guys didn't see, it's right there.
Yeah, go watch that video if y'all want to see more in depth.
And then here's the hardtop that we installed. It's a simple install. Just gotta make sure you have your stuff right. But yeah, we got that installed, and now we have something for the sides. So
comment down below what y'all think it's gonna be.
Yep.
What is it? Because some for the rear, some for the side. I don't know. But we got the car jacked up. I'm gonna put on the jack stands. Once I get on the jack stands, we're going to show y'all the very next part we're going to be installing. Y'all probably already know about the description.
So stay tuned.
Alright, so here's the Downforce side strakes. They look pretty sweet. I got them in the in carbon fiber.
Yeah, I got one question for you. Will it fit the Mini?
Nah, it won't fit the Mini. I just feel like these are too long. These might be the length of your car. I'm just kidding.
No, I don't think so.
But here they are, and I think we should probably... Nah, we'll let them see the full thing once you're done. But it came with some hardware. Not really hardware, just some
simple screws.
Just some simple screws.
And your badges. And they already have the holes already pre-drilled. That's water. But they got the holes pre-drilled, so we don't have to crack no carbon, because those things tend to happen when dealing with this type of material.
I can't wait to get it done, because I didn't want to just put a front lip on. Let me see if it'll focus. I didn't want to put a front lip on and not have anything for the side.
Listen. It's that weather. But listen, whenever you do like one carbon piece, it's kind of like addictive to where like you want to put more carbon on the car. So since we did the hardtop and the front splitter, why not do the sides?
Yeah. And why not do the rear? I don't know. I think y'all are gonna be really excited for the rear.
At this point, he has more carbon than me. But
you only have a carbon fiber shift knob.
No.
Oh Lord.
And a oil catch can. And I got the front splitter.
That's Tegris.
Oh no, I'm taking the doors off. They're going carbon too, and the hood.
Alright.
And the trunk.
This man just talking. Alright, but look, we're gonna get this up there and we're gonna mock it up, tape it up probably, or get Roddy to hold it up. How you think about that? Get him to hold it up while I drill in. Let's do this. We do this. Do this.
Let's get into it.
Let's get. Hey, let me see that beard though. Let me see that beard.
No, it's ratchet.
It's ratchet. Okay.
I haven't brushed it.
All right, well then we can go see my dog's beard then. What's up, Storm? What you doing? What you doing? Come here now. People are so scared of them. Yeah, I wouldn't be that scared of him.
But showcase my girl.
Hey, don't sleep on her. If you follow me on Snapchat or Roddick's Snapchat, you've probably seen that this is probably one of our most aggressive dogs we have, and she's small. Yeah, she's small compared to our other ones, but like she's rough.
She's a thug.
She is a thug. Let me stop playing. This is supposed to be a YouTube car channel, but we do a little bit of everything. Well, y'all will be seeing a little more of everything. We're just trying to get my car knocked out, so let's do this. All right, so Roddy wants to take over this. So we didn't show, but we put one screw in. Let me see if I can see. It's right there. But we're going in. We're pre-drilling it. Then we're forcing the screw in. Not really forcing it, but it's just going in pretty tight. But yeah, I'll record him while you do this.
So we're lucky that these guys drilled the holes for it, because that definitely helps. Make sure it's straight up top.
While he's doing that, I'm gonna sit here with my nice old Starbucks vanilla. Gonna take me a nice little sip of it.
Oh, watch out. Bro, move your back.
Oh, I was leaning on your head. Just like tasting a rainbow. Go to your local Starbucks. Go to your local Walmart, Sheetz. They got you. They got you.
Don't hold down.
Alright, let me show you how easy this is. Oh, you're gonna need a Torx bit if you do pick up these side skirts. I don't know what size is it? I think it's a T11. It's a T15, so T15 head will fit this bolt if your kit does come with it. Yeah, there you go. So yeah.
Alright guys, so now we have both sides on. The last thing to do is to put the Downforce badges on. These guys were...
Gotta help these companies out. Yeah. Focus, 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 focus.
If I put my hand up on... Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, we're gonna put these little badges up on there. I don't know
Made in the United States, boy. It's like
we're gonna say the badge for later because the badges aren't that important at the moment. But since we're doing 2 installs today, we have to get the rear bumper off. I've never taken the rear bumper off, but I'm just gonna go by where I see mounting points at. And so far, I see one right there. Then there's some up here. I did the tab relocation right here. So all I gotta do is just cut the zip tie, and then I still kept the screw up in there, up in here, so you can't really see it because the tire's in the way. And then I have
three clips.
3 clips, and then the same thing on the other side. So I'm guessing it's gonna be pretty simple. And then I also have these little things that hold this right here. And have the camera sideways with these on both sides, and I think it should come off.
Yeah. For this install, we're gonna do take the bumper off like he said, clean it up. So you guys probably already know what we're gonna get into, but yeah, take the bumper off, clean it really well with some alcohol, nothing that can harm the paint, and then show you guys.
Oh,
all right, guys. So
we got it on.
Yeah, it's mounted. Yeah, it's mounted. So now
it's freaking nice.
Ooh, you can kind of.
It looks so.
You can't really see it, but we got it mounted. And this man's really excited because right now, yeah, no bueno. So we got the bumper and everything ready to go back on.
I think, God, dude, this really made the Suzuka Blue kind of pop, because Suzuka Blue, not many people like Suzuka Blue S2000s, but I feel like I did all the right things to make all y'all Suzuka Blue haters love it. So with that being said, we're gonna get this thing on
and show you guys what it looks like afterwards.
Check it out, and then maybe we'll do some pictures. Well, I already promised you some pictures and stuff, so let's get to it. Let's get to putting this thing on. Just gonna put some of the hardware back in, just to secure it a little bit. All right, so it pretty much got dark. So what we ended up doing was we got the rear bumper on and all that, got all the bolts and everything tightened up, and then there was an under tray part that you can kind of see that goes all the way back, probably right to the like the front of the diff or before the diff, but it goes all the way back, and that piece is also carbon fiber. Let me see if I can get closer. But it goes pretty far back. It's really nice. This is also carbon fiber. I think it's fiberglass on the inside of it, but it's real clean. I never knew that the diffuser actually came with an actual under tray, so when I saw it in the box I was pretty excited. But it's pretty nice, real stable. I will say that because since the rear diffuser never came with any type of like rubber thing to like go in between the carbon fiber and the rear bumper, I went ahead and added some black caulk into it that won't crack or anything. My fence is closing, but I added that all around the outside I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but there's like some black caulking up in there just to make the fitment look a lot better. And it turned out pretty good. Happy.
All right, so it's a different day. We finished putting everything back on the S2000. It got dark once again because we decided to do it late. But anyways, it's done. I'm gonna come show y'all what it looks like, but let's go kind of look at everything we've done so far. The hard top. And then here she is, the rear diffuser. JDP did such of a great job making this. I love it. One of my favorite additions from. Got myself a little holder. I can put a drink right there or something. Just kidding, I'll never do that. But yeah, this is so awesome. I love this. But anyways, like I promised y'all, since this is like the end of, not the end, because I might end up doing something later down the road, but this is pretty much like where I want it to be at the moment. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna throw in the wheels like I saw in videos before, where I put the tire layering on my official wheels and get these ones off. Y'all get to see that good fitment, and then we're gonna go take some shots, rollers, and yeah. But I'll see y'all soon because this wind is really blowing.